Hey guys, today's video is going to be a refrigerator clean out. As you can see, I'm going to show you in here, it is definitely in need of some help. There has been a leak, so the bottom is all disgusting, and I just want to clean everything out. I don't think there's really anything expired in here. I've been pretty good at keeping up on that, but it's time to get this thing cleaned out. So let's get everything out and get started.
You should know I have never really liked you at all. I cannot hide it anymore. I've been thinking about the future, trying to forget about the past. So many ways that I could change for the better. Don't even know where to begin. If I allow myself to dream, will it be as good as it seems? Pull me out of this place.
Once I sprayed down and cleaned up that spill, I wanted to take out all of these shelves and the bins that are in there as well. They're glass and plastic, so I can just go ahead and wash them, give them a nice clean. It's easier. I did try spraying it and wiping it up, but that was just going to take a lot longer. It was so much simpler just to take them out, hand wash them one at a time, wipe down the refrigerator, and then put them back in. Even though this wasn't quick, it still took me like about an hour and a half total to get this done. If I had tried to clean them by spraying them and wiping them down, it would have been a lot longer.
Send me off into the wild. Misery is still a path I would choose if the alternatives are worse. I guess it's time to find a friend, one who will stick by to the end.
The only thing I would say about washing it like this is I got water everywhere. Literally my entire countertop. I was so messy about it. I didn't mean to be, but I think I just had the faucet going way too quickly and I just sprayed it everywhere. It was insane. But that's okay. It's just water and it did clean up, but I would just say make sure you have a lot of towels handy if you're going to wash your refrigerator out like I did.
I'm not that good at faking it. I feel somehow I've broken it. I don't.
For some reason, I really struggled putting these back in. I forgot how they went for some reason. I'm not exactly sure how I forgot. Like I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing when I took them out. So it took me like 4 times trying to figure out why I wasn't getting them in correctly, but I did finally figure it out. It was incredibly simple and just like I had done every other time I had ever taken these out before. So I'm glad that was over with. I also started just to unload the entire refrigerator and take out each shelf and wash it and let it dry.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down.
I did wipe down the entire inside of the refrigerator really well. I sprayed it with my method and made sure that I got anything that was in there that wasn't supposed to be, but I found out after that my camera didn't record it for some reason, so I don't have it on here, but I promise you I really did. I'm just putting these all back in right now, and then I'm wiping them down with just a paper towel because some of them did have some drips coming off just from being washed and everything like that. And then I went and took off all of the side door bins that are there just because I actually haven't done this in a while. I wanted to go through them. As you can see, I have a couple of multiples of some of the things in there, so most of it was good. It wasn't expired or anything. I had to just get rid of a couple of things, and I cleaned these out and put them back in.
Wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah. Oh, let me drown. Oh, no, no, no. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Tell me, mother, did you miss me when I broke free? When I grabbed a bus to anywhere just to be elsewhere. I long to belong. Hitched a ride into the sunset. Felt like Juliet. On my way to meet my lover. A dream uncovered. I long to belong. And we've got nothing to lose. I'm a kite, you're a string, and you made me see there's nothing to lose. I'm a wave in your sea, and you made me dive into the unknown.
After I had everything sorted and put back in the bins the way I wanted, I put them back on the door. I also wanted to make sure that I gave the outside of the refrigerator a good wipe down as well, just to make sure it had an all-around clean. On a side note, I had already cleaned out my freezer. That's why I'm only doing this side. I'm not actually doing the freezer part. That doesn't need it, but it does look so much better now.
To belong, and we've got nothing to lose. I'm a kite, you're a string, and you made me see there's nothing to lose. I'm a wave in your sea, and you made me dive into the unknown. I'm a kite, you're a string, and you made me see there's nothing to lose.
The finished look. I think it looks great. I'm happy with it. I'm sure that it's gonna start looking like a mess soon again because that's what always happens, but for right now, I am very pleased. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want more cleaning motivation videos, and I will see you all in my next video.